Hello friends, welcome back. This is question number 7 of exercise 8.1 from chapter Trigonometry. Now let's do question number 7. If cot theta equal to 7 by 8, evaluate. If cot theta is 7 by 8, we have to evaluate. Let's do it. Its solution. It is given cot theta equal to 7 by 8. So let's make a triangle. It is theta. Let it as an A, B and this one C. Now cot theta equal to, as we know that AB by BC means base upon perpendicular, so it is 7 by 8. Now base is 7 and perpendicular is 8. Now to solve this problem we have to find sine theta and cos theta. To find sine theta and cos theta we have to find hypotenuse. We have a requirement of hypotenuse, so firstly we will find hypotenuse. So by PGT AC and its whole square equal to 7 whole square plus 8 whole square means base square plus a perpendicular square. So 7 7 is 49, 49 plus 8 is 64. AC is something like this. Now AC whole square. So AC whole square equal to 113. It comes out as, so AC equal to under root 113. Now to solve our first question we have to find sine theta and cos theta. So sine theta equal to BC upon AC, so it will be 8 upon under root 113. And cos theta equal to AB upon AC equal to 7 by under root 113. It comes out as like this. Now we will solve first one. We will firstly solve first one. So first one is 1 plus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta. 1 plus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. If we can see that a plus b and a minus b, it is in this format, so it will be 1 minus sine square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta. Now we will put the value of sine and cos in this one. So let's put it equal to 1 minus sine 8 upon under root 113 and its whole square upon 1 minus 7 upon root 113 and its whole square equal to 1 minus 8 8 is 64 upon 113 upon 1 minus 7 7 is 49 upon 113. Now 113 minus 64 upon 113 whole upon 113 minus 49 upon 113. This one is removed. Now 113 minus 64 equal to 49 upon 113 minus 49 equal to 64. It is the answer. This question is solved. Now cot square theta. We have to find cot square theta. To find cot square theta, cot square theta. So cot square theta equal to 7 upon 8 and its whole square. It is very simple. 7 7 is 49 and 8 8 is 64, because cot theta's value is already given in the question and this one is the answer. Now this question is solved. Now let's move to the next question, question number 8. Question number 8 is, if 3 cot A equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. In this question, firstly we have to check that LHS equal to RHS or not. So let's do it. As in the previous questions, we will firstly make a triangle. Let's solve it. If 3 cot A equal to 4, so cot A will be 4 by 3. It is something like this. So cot A equal to 4 by 3. So this one is angle A, B and C. Now cot A equal to 4 by 3. Now let 4 upon 3. So 4 is AB, means base AB upon 3 means BC. Now firstly we will find hypotenuse. By PGT AC and its whole square equal to 4 whole square plus 3 whole square equal to 4 4 are 16 plus 3 3 are 9 equal to 25. AC whole square is 25. On squaring both sides, AC equal to root 25. So it comes out as 5. So AC is 5, AB is 4 and BC is 3. Now firstly we will find the value of tan theta, cos A and sin A. It is by mistake written. It is this one is not theta, this one is A. Now let's firstly we will find tan square A and firstly we will find tan A, cos A and sin A. So let's do it. So tan A, what will the value of tan A? Tan A will be BC upon AB equal to 3 upon 4. Cos A equal to AB upon AC equal to 4 by 5 and one more sin A equal to BC by AC, which is 3 by 5. Now let's put these value in this one. We can write here its square also. So it will on squaring this it will come as 3 3 9 upon 4 3 16 tan square A, sin square A and cos square A. It will come out as 4 4 16 and 5 5 25 and 3 3 9 upon 5 5 25. Now let's put it 1 minus tan. We will directly write 1 minus tan square A. What is the value of tan square A? Means 9 upon 16 upon 1 plus 9 upon 16 equal to firstly we will solve LHS. So 16 1 is 16, 16 minus 9 upon 16 whole upon 16 plus 9 upon 16, 16 removed. 16 minus 9 equal to 7 upon 16 plus 9 equal to 25. It comes out as 27 upon 25. Now RHS. RHS cos square A. The value of cos square A is 16 by 25 minus 16 by 25. We can write here 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A equal to, and this one like this, cos square A minus sin square A. So the value of cos square A is 16 by 25 and sin square A is 9 by 25. So on subtracting, 16 minus 9 equal to 7 by 25. So as you can see that 7 upon 25 and 7 upon 25. So LHS equal to RHS. Proved. Proved what? Proved both are equal. Now rest question will be in next videos. You can watch them. The link will be provided in the description. You can directly take from there. So thank you. Meet you in next video.